Hey, this is Raihan. In this video, I will demonstrate you how you can assist to your customer. If someone search on chat on your social media, then your AI agent will be give reply from take that information from database and from your Google Drive personal information or ebook everything whatever it is. So if I ask the question which is this one, I want to earn more than 2000 USDT for per month AI automation. So if I ask this question and execution the workflow and also the if I ask the question which is I want to earn and how much do you want to earn from AI automation, then you can see the exact workflow which is the created from AI agent and the Pinecone taking data from the Pinecone and modify the Google Gemini and give you the reply which is the goal is earn more than 2000 USDT from the AI automation agency. And if I ask the second question, which is I earned almost 1000 USDT from SEO. So if I ask this question from on the chat model, then you can see how much do you want to earn. The reply you will get how much do you earn per year on SEO. So if I ask this question, then you can see the workflow is execution done and Pinecone database is in taking information from the Pinecone database and give the reply. I earned almost 20,000 USD per month on the SEO. So this is the personal information which I get from the website and give you the reply and this is the workflow. So let's go to the canvas how you can make this workflow and implement on your website. If you are the solo business owner or the book author, so you want to add this type of chat model on your website or social media. If someone typing or chatting with you and this this AI agent will be reply according to your mind and take information from your website, okay, from your personal database. So let's back to the canvas how you can make this one. So firstly I want to add a Telegram node on chat model. If someone messaging on Telegram and I need to add a Telegram message which is action. I need to action which is on message. If someone message me, then this automatically trigger this workflow, okay. So on message made model and you need to add a Telegram new credential which is super simple. Just search on Google YouTube, it will be show you demonstrating how you can make this one, okay. So this is not a rocket science. And trigger model is a execution it the message model. And if I execute this one, then I hope we can get a trigger event. I need to paste here which is hey. Execution is done, text is hey. And now I want to switch node which is if you are the owner, if you want to store this PDF or you want to upload this PDF. If someone asks question query, then AI agent will be get knowledge from that database from that PDF. So yeah, I want to add a switch node. I want to add a switch node which is if you uploading PDF and now we want to if you uploading PDF, then it will be stored on Pinecone on the database, okay. If we upload for testing purpose, if we upload a PDF this like this PDF, this is the PDF personal information. We upload this PDF. Now if I execution the workflow, then you can get a PDF which is this is the PDF application personal information PDF, okay. And now I want to add a PDF which if this message text is PDF, then go to this node. If this not a PDF not a PDF, it's text or something is go to the another node, okay. So this is the process. And if I need to go here add a file name which is including PDF is equal to no. I want to change the condition which I want to yet exist no yes exist. If exist no exist string empty is exist equal to content, yes content. If this file name is content is PDF, you can see in the end the PDF is available. So if this message is PDF, so go to this node, okay. So you can see this message is rename is PDF, okay. So it will be go to the PDF section, PDF node. So this is the PDF node. Now I will pin this one, otherwise every time I need to up message on chat for this making the workflow. So this is the process, and PDF is complete. After the completing this one, we will get a create another node for what I need to do. Okay, so PDF is complete. I need to download this PDF file from the Telegram. Okay, so Telegram, need to select the Telegram, and what is the download file? A get a file, and this is the file which I want to operation is get a file, means download a file. What is the file ID? This is the file ID. This is the file ID. I need to paste it here and execution the workflow. I hope the file is showing here, which is this one. File size is this one, name, extension, everything is. And also you have to focus on the this PDF on the binary, so remember this one. Okay, so get a file, downloaded file is complete. Now I need to add a Pinecone database to store this PDF on Pinecone database. Search on Pinecone database. Yes, add a document to vector store. Okay, so this is the vector store, and let's go to the Pinecone database. Yes, login is complete. After login on the Pinecone database, you need to create an index, which is give here the name. I want to give here the sample name, and I need to give here a simple text embedding 3 small, or you can add a manual, which is not 3.1. I want to here 5336. Okay, this is the dimension, and create indexing. This is after the creating indexing, you need to go here and insert document, and paste search on the sample, and before the starting this one, you need to create a create credential. This is not a just rocket science. Go to the API key and create API key and paste it here. Okay, so this now I need to create a namespace, which is I want to keep this information is organized. Okay, so Pinecone namespace, and I want to give here the PDF. Okay, so PDF is complete. Now embedding model, I need to give here the embedding model, which is I keep here the embedding model is text large or whatever it is, and I give here the small. Okay, embedding 3 is small. Okay, and I need to give here the document, which is document data loader. And before I said you need to know the this is the binary format, so I have to keep here the binary format, and simple is customize for putting the text list slipper, which is to take token spreader the 1000 chunk size means this workflow AI agent will be create a agent, create a get idea from the PDF or database, 100 chunk, 100 character, or whatever chunk size. It has couple of more option, which is character based chunk size character. This method node will be take thousands of character from your database, from your PDF. Oh, this is the process. Okay, so take text splitter, and this is the chunk size. And if I upload this PDF and create this PDF, I hope you can get a PDF from Pinecone, which is I creating done, and the Pinecone uploading is this. Yes, Pinecone uploading is done. Now if I refresh this one, now then you can get a indexing which I uploaded on the website. Okay, so this is the process. There I uploaded this PDF on the Pinecone successfully. Okay, and if I go to namespace, then you can get a PDF. Okay, this is the namespace. Okay, so the Pinecone database, the personal database, personal data is uploading completed on the Pinecone database or whatever it's your database you can upload. Okay, after this uploading the database, now you need to go to the website and go to the switch node. If someone messaging me on social media, on text, social media or telegram, that particular question they will ask on your social media, then you can, this chat model will be reply. Okay, so if I add a route rule which is not a PDF, it will be the text message. So I need to unpin this message and text here, message me here, hey. Okay, so I hope the chat model will be get which is hey, and now this model won't be work because it's not the PDF content, it's the text message hey. Okay, so if I paste here the chat message and it's equal to, not is equal to, is exists, it's does not exist, or empty, is empty, or is not empty. Okay, so Jyoti, if this not is not empty, it workflow will be execute. Okay, so this is this is the workflow is not empty. That means we got a mail message on the particular social media. Okay, now I need to add here a set node which will get a information. If I pin this one, so that I no need to ask it a question again and again. Okay, if I give here the set name and paste here the chat ID, I need chat ID, I will give you the sec after a minute. Okay, so it's not a string, it's a number, and from this is the ID, chat ID, and I need another one which is user text. User text, this is a string, and give here the user text, this is the user text. Okay, I will give you the why I need this one. Okay, so this is the ID, and I need to add a AI agent that it will be work get information from your personal database, from your personal information, then it will be give you the reply to your audience or to your customer. Okay, so define value, give here the workflow execution, the workflow. So this is the information, this is the text user text, that this is the question user asking, now you have to give the answer. So and now I need to go a system prompt which will be give the reply according to your agent. Okay, so I asked ChatGPT what is the system prompt for this my particular requirement, which is I want to get information from my personal database, and give me the every step how you can go to the process. Okay, Pinecone back to stage, always call Pinecone that before generating the answer. Don't give me answer from your own knowledge unless Pinecone return the no result. Okay, so this is the exact system from that I actually want. And I need to chat model, I need to add a chat model with the open router for a mini. You can add it Gemini which is totally free, or DeepSeek totally free, it depends on you. And I add here the ChatGPT. And memory, I need to add a memory which is simple memory. Okay, and simple memory, and go to the tool is a tool means I want to get information from the personal database, personal workflow. I want to get information from Pinecone back to store, and I will give here the information which is I want to work the memory is not working, session ID is not working. If I define the below workflow and give here the session ID which is this number, this is the number, this is the dummy number. I will show you where I can get this session ID. Okay, so if I run this workflow, then back to store is not, Pinecone is not working. So if I run this workflow, and I hope we can get a couple of information that this is the first Pinecone backtrace information. If I search on Pinecone database which I want to add, this is the Pinecone database and user information is this one, and ask this question on your website on your personal database and give me the grab the information, better information which is I want, and give me the reply. Okay, so I want to get information from simple on from Pinecode, and I need to add a namespace which is PDF. I added before, and this is more significant, more decent way. Okay, so everything is okay, and I need to add a more another embedding size. Embedding is a chat model I added before, simple. So if I ask the question again that what is my earning from the website, I hope this workflow AI agent service not available. So if this not available, so if I go to the 4 mini, or if I go to the Gemini, it should be the more efficient Gemini, Google Gemini, and create a credential, add a create credential. It's not a hard process, it's super simple. Okay, so execution the workflow, and I hope the workflow is getting the information and getting the information from your website, from your personal database, we're getting the information from Pinecone database. Okay, so if I ask the question how much do you want to earn from AI automation, now you can get a oh sorry, I need to unpin this one, otherwise it won't be work. Okay, so it's unpinned. Now if I execute the workflow and create an event and get information from the chat model, and I hope this workflow will be give me the exact information that I want from my personal database, which is I want to earn more than 1,000 USDT from AI automation agency, which I give on my personal PDF. Okay, so I need to give here the Telegram, it will give you the reply. Okay, send a message, what is the message? Send a message, send a text message. I need send a text message, and okay, and I need to give here the message ID, where I can get the message ID, chat ID. This is a chat ID, and text, what will be the reply? This will be the reply, this is the output. Okay, and this is the output, this is a chat ID, and this is the chat ID 680, and I added this one on the key 680, which is the session ID. Okay, so if I ask the workflow again that what is my brand name, what is the brand name? Okay, then it will be give the reply from your personal database, what is. Okay, if I ask the question, now you can get a idea, you can get a information from this personal database and give the reply, and will be the send you the reply. This is the brand name is solutionpro.ai. and if you want to remove this one from automatically message, go to the Pinecone, go to not Pinecone, go to the message option and add a field and append an n8n attribute and turn off this one. Now it will be the work. So if I execution the workflow and search again what is the brand name, this is ridiculous emoji is coming in front of me again and again. So this is the brand name. What is the brand name? Now you can get information from my brand name is Solution Pro AI. So this is the process how you can get information from your personal database. It should be the better for your customer, for your audience. If you are the business owner, solo business owner, or you are the author, or you are the dentist, you want to say something about your service, it should be the better if we implement on your website. Okay,